Rachel and Jess dancing. Jess looking weird like a clown. Alright, can we get a video of me and Rachel, then me and Jess, and then, you know, all of us?
Sure.
Okay.
I'll switch.
Just go.
Okay. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. No. Stand. Oh, stand there.
Hurry up.
I'm Jess, and I'm tired. Very, very tired. That's really nice.
Can you see me?
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, Laura, that just ruined the fucking video.
Yeah. Yeah, Ron.
That didn't even make it funny.
It's me. What else was I supposed to say?
New video, the battery's